Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we will be learning the life processes second part. In the second part today we will be learning. Okay. So in the last part, if you must have seen, we had studied till nutrition and amoeba. Okay. Till here, see. Till here we had studied in the last part. So today again we will be studying ahead of this. Let's go ahead without wasting any time. And if you haven't liked my video, like it, subscribe it, share it, and also make a comment at how am I teaching and keep me motivated. Let's go ahead. So let's start today's. So types of nutrition in heterotrophic. We all know some types of nutrition, okay? So let's just take a look on them. Yes. See. Saprophytic. We had learned holozoic in the last period. So the nutrition in which an organism obtains its food from dead and decaying organic matter of plants and animals are called saprophytic. So in short way, like in this type of nutrition, the organism obtains it from, you must be known scavengers, right? Scavengers who feed on dead and decaying matter like vulture and eagle and many more. So this is what happens in this. Okay, so I will show you ahead. See, let's see some examples. Okay, wait, I will have to set this first. Examples of saprophytic nutrition. All right. Fungi, bread mold, mushroom, and many more organisms like fungi, bread mold, mushrooms, and many more. Let's go ahead. So you can see bacteria, mushroom, mold. Oh, so mold looks like this. Today I came to know mold looks like that. Where shall I set this camera? Yes, here it's fine. Okay. Next. So in saprophytic, the organisms which depend on dead and decaying matter, they come. So let's see another type, which is none other than parasitic. So in parasitic nutrition, the organisms live on, like, see, I will tell you in a short way. You don't have to read this whole definition, okay? We'll tell you in a short way. In parasitic nutrition, the organism lives on the body of the host without killing it, and it absorbs the nutrition. So actually what happens, you must be knowing that there are lice in the hair or many more things over here in the hairs or who live on you. Like those types of parasites live on you, but they like actually don't kill you. They don't kill you, right? They just absorb the nutrients from your body. Mosquito, yeah, mosquito, like what they do, they always say that like mosquito always stays on you, it sucks your blood, but still it never kills you. Okay, these types like lice in your hair and lice, yes, lice. See, the organisms that derive food from the other living organism is called parasite, and the organism from whom food is derived is called host. See, so organism that derive food from other living organism. So lice which stays on our head. So we are the host because it stays on our head. Okay, in my hair it is staying, so I am the host because it's my head, it's my hair. That's why. And the lice and whichever it is the living organism called parasite. The host can be plant or animal. See, sometimes, like in rarely cases, plants are also there, a small type. But animals, like insects and many more things, like lice, bugs, and many more things, mosquitoes. The parasite that cause disease in the host is called a pathogen. So you must have seen this, that the parasite that causes disease in the host is called pathogen. Okay, let's go ahead. So let's see some types of parasites. Okay, let's go see them. So parasites can be of two types, ectoparasites and endoparasites. So ectoparasites are external parasites. They always stay on your body, like they never go inside your body. They always stay on your hair, on body, and many more things. They always stay on your body. They never go inside, and they either live on the host body or attack temporarily to suck the blood, like mosquito. First of all, I had show you. They attack temporarily to suck the blood. Mosquito, lice, and many more. Endoparasites. Okay, examples first, let's see, of ectoparasites: leech, bedbug, louse, mosquitoes, and many more. Okay. Yeah, so as I told you, mosquito, louse, bedbug, leech. Let's see another example and many more, like many more. I haven't added, I don't remember. So like see types of parasites. Again, endoparasites. Now see in ectoparasites, the parasites used to live on the body. Okay. In endoparasites, common sense, the parasites will live inside the body. Okay. See, endoparasites are internal parasites that is they live inside the host body and derive the food from them. The examples of endoparasites are viruses, many bacteria, some protozoa, roundworm, tapeworm, hookworm, and many more such type of parasites. Okay, so now see this whole chart. Look at this whole chart. Okay, look at the whole chart. Have a look. Types of heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, holozoic nutrition. Now here also now see the saprophytic nutrition, they feed on a dead and decaying matter, including bacteria and fungi, which digest the food externally before the nutrients are absorbed. So, as I told you, they feed on dead and decaying matter, fungi, bread mold, etc. And they digest the food externally before the nutrients are absorbed. They digest the food. Like, we eat the food, okay? Then we get the nutrients. We eat the food, we get nutrients. They without, like, before digesting, they directly digest the food and then they absorb the nutrients. And see, now let's see about the parasitic. Okay, parasitic nutrition obtains nutrients from living organisms. The parasite obtains nutrition by living or in on or in the body of the host. Okay, so examples are cuscuta, tapeworm. Okay, these are the examples. Now let's see, like, they, as I told you, they live on the head, in the hair, or inside the body. These type of nutritions, like cuscuta, tapeworm to live inside. Now let's see examples of holozoic nutrition. Okay, see, the organism fed by ingesting solid inorganic matter. We eat something, right, which is digested and absorbed into their bodies. So we eat something and we digest and absorb the nutrients, then it is known as holozoic. We can note this. This is too easy to understand. Okay. So these are, you can have a look at the chart. My camera is not being set nicely. Okay, 1 second. Okay. Okay. See. Okay. Let's go ahead. Now questions. Now let's do the questions. Okay, questions. We will do some questions. All right. See. Question number 1. A. Draw a diagram of human alimentary canal and label gallbladder, pancreas, liver, and small intestine in it. Okay. So this is the diagram. You can see that tongue is, wait, 1 second. Yes. You can see tongue, mouth, buccal. You can see the tongue over here. You can see the mouth, which is the buccal cavity. This long hollow tube is esophagus. Then diaphragm, then you can see the gallbladder. See, gallbladder actually stores the bile. Okay, then you can see the stomach where the food goes. See, then you can see the liver, then you can see the small intestine. See, you must be knowing this from, I think, child only, that small intestine is actually bigger than large intestine, because small intestine is composed in a small area. That's why it looks smaller, but it's actually bigger. And large intestine, see, large intestine, colon, appendix and anus. So I will tell you function of two things over here. First of all, small intestine. Small intestines, you know what they do? They just, when you eat something, like for example, you are eating something, the food goes inside your stomach and then it goes to small intestine. And after that, small intestine absorbs the nutrients and all the things and all the food which is necessary for the body. Okay. And then it pushes the undigested food to the large intestine. And the large intestine does nothing. Large intestine only removes the undigested food through the anus by the process of excretion, and it only reabsorbs water, glucose, amino acid, and salts. Okay, only water, glucose, amino acid, and salts. These four things are intestine reabsorb by the movement. Let's go ahead. See, now question number 1b. Give two reasons to explain why absorption of digested food occurs mainly in the small intestine. See, digested, as I told you right now, absorption of digested food occurs mainly in the small intestine because it has finger-like projections called villi, which help in absorption of digested food into the blood. So now you must be thinking, what is this villi? See, villi increases the surface area of the small intestine. Okay, it is richly supplied with blood vessels. Oh, all right. See, it contains a lymph capillary called lacteal in the center. Okay, then 1 minute. Yes. Lacteal in turn is surrounded by a network of thin and small blood vessels called blood capillaries close to its surface as the food moves slowly between over and around the villi. The surface of villi absorbs the digested food materials into blood flowing through them. Okay, this is what happens. See, the network of thin and small blood vessels, like see, the blood capillaries, it is close to the surface of the food where the food moves slowly, and the food moves slowly between over and around the villi. Okay, around the villi it moves, and the surface of villi absorbs the digested food materials. See, as I told you, it absorbs the digested food materials, that way the small intestine is bigger, and into blood flowing through them, and transports them into blood flowing through them, and blood in turn carries the absorbed food materials to all the parts of the body. See, the food materials, as I told you, which were absorbed in the body, they were absorbed, okay, and they were sent by the blood to all the various parts of our body, various organs of our body, and the undigested food was removed through the large intestine by the anus. Okay, and in the cells, food is used for energy, repair, and growth. So see, okay, example I'm giving you. If you are eating something, okay, you are hungry, okay, you can't run, actually you have a marathon, so for running in that you need to at least fill your stomach, right? So you will have to eat something. So you must now, if you eat something, you would be fit and fine and you can run. Why? Because the nutrients of that will give you power and energy to run. Okay, so this is a small example for you to understand, okay, by myself. Okay, let's see the next question. Okay, also one more thing. This process is known as assimilation. Assimilation, important topic. Okay, as I told you, what was it? Absorption, digestion. No, wait. Ingestion, absorption. See, I'm forgetting it. Okay, ingestion, digestion. Okay, see, cut this scene, cut this scene. Okay, I'm lying. Okay, I know. Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and excretion. Stop making my fun, okay? A gas is released. Question number 2a. A gas is released during photosynthesis. Name the gas and also state the way by which the gas is evolved. Like, this is the easiest question someone can ask in the board. See, I will tell you. The process is what you must be knowing. A gas released during photosynthesis. The gas released during the process of photosynthesis is what? Like, see, we inhale carbon dioxide, we exhale oxygen. We don't exhale. Actually, we inhale oxygen and we exhale carbon dioxide, right? In plants, opposite happens. They inhale oxygen, carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen. So here also, the gas released during the process of photosynthesis is oxygen, which comes from the water. Okay. During photosynthesis, plants absorb carbon dioxide and water. See, I will tell you without saying. During photosynthesis, plants absorb carbon dioxide and water and get combined in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to form glucose and releases oxygen and water. So, now I will show you the equation, I guess. See, equation was 6CO2, see, 6CO2 plus 12H2O give, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, give rise to C6H12O6, which is glucose, plus 6H2O plus 6O2. Okay, now let's see what is stomata. Question number 2b. What are stomata? Okay, Wait. Question number 2B. Okay. Okay, so the question was, what are stomata? So what gives the opening and closing of stomata? Okay. First of all, stomata, like, they are the tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. Okay. And the opening and closing of stomatal pores are controlled by the turgidity of the guard cells. When guard cells uptake water from surrounding cells, they swell to become a turgid body. This enlarges the pores in between and cause stomatal opening. Okay. So when the water is released, they become flaccid, and this closes the pores in between, thereby causing stomata closing. See, in short again, see, first of all, see, I will block this much way. Stomata, like, are the tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. Okay, first, the opening and closing of stomatal pores are controlled by the turgidity of the guard cells. Turgidity of the guard cells, and when guard cells uptake water from surrounding cells, they swell to become a turgid body. This enlarges the pores in between and causes stomatal opening. When water is released, they become flaccid. Okay, and this closes the pores in between, thereby causing stomatal closing. Okay, I hope you understand. Understand? Okay. Okay. So we like we often hear people complain about acidity in the stomach. Huh? So first, why do we complain? Often people complain about having acidity in the stomach. For this, Eno. Okay, leave it. No jokes. Sorry. Overproduction of what substance is most likely the reason for the complaint. Okay. Okay. So answer A. See, the overproduction of hydrochloric acid. Okay, hydrochloric acid which is present in the stomach is most likely the reason for the complaint. Okay. Second, why is the production of this substance necessary? Okay, because the production of stomach acid is necessary for the digestion of food to kill the bacteria that enters the stomach. Okay, the production of this substance is necessary for the digestion of the food to kill the bacteria that enter the stomach. Okay, fine, let's go. So, third, how does the stomach prevent itself from the harmful effects of the overproduction of the substance? Okay, see, the stomach prevents itself the harmful effects of overproduction of stomach acid by providing mucus that protects the stomach lining from the gastric. Okay, so till here, if you have watched, so thank you so much for watching. Today we will be covering this much only in short term, and at one time I will upload the one shot. So thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye. Like, share, subscribe. So thanks. Bye. Have a nice day. Have a great day. Whatever. Bye. Bye.